The gentleman unfortunately passed away in his car at a different location. The family has hired us, they're from out of state, they've hired us to completely throw away every single bit in this trailer. All right, we have a lot of 22s. What?
Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spalding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
The gentleman unfortunately passed away in his car at a different location. He left here when he passed away. Everything is as is. So the family has hired us, they're from out of state, they've hired us to completely throw away every single bit in this trailer. We're gonna throw away all obvious trash, everything that they don't want, including TV, stuff like that. So those we're gonna try to donate and we'll keep them, right? We're gonna clean this out as well. So we'll work our way in here, get all this done. Come in here. Come in here. Obviously, there's a firearm enthusiast, has a good reloading bench, reloading setup in here. The point I'd like to make on this is that one of the interesting things that the family told us was their dad never drank, he was very clean, but depression is a very real thing. So, you know, check on your loved one, check on your friends, because as you can see in here, there's a lot of beer cans laying around. It's just very cluttered and messy. Didn't used to be like that, right? So as you can see, the gentleman took up drinking at the last couple months. All right, we have a lot of 22s. What? Well, got your 22 long rifle, more 22 long rifle, more 22, and then you have 9mm shell casings. This guy was a reloader, so he collects brass to reload.
There's something in the couch?
No, it's like I've moved something.
A limb or something?
Yeah.
That was a look. I saw you. This, oh, it's got the, yeah. Oh, I don't think it's snaps, to be honest with you.
I think that's it.
You want to tip it? We can put it in the dumpster right there behind you.
Well, there's one more spot open right there.
We have a CB radio. It's a two-way emergency information broadcast. CB radio.
Not here. You pick me up, pick your stuff up. Everybody's got them.
Got him.
We got a French fry press.
Nathan here, back with another Nathan and Nature segment. So today, you get a live look inside of Nathan's cockroach rehabilitation clinic. So Larry here got stuck on a roach trap. I think it's like a glue trap for rats or something too. But unfortunately Larry got stuck there. So we're gonna release Larry back into the wild so he can be with his family and be free. So join with me here as we gently get him off without breaking any of his legs. Come on, buddy, you're almost there. Notice I have gloves on. I would not be doing this barehanded. And I'm actually freaked out right now, so. I don't want to kill him.
I only want to tell you that sound fucked up.
A lot of times on jobs we find either Schedule 1, Schedule 2, we find different types of narcotics, different types of prescription medications. So obviously, since we don't want that to get into the wrong hands, whatever, we're going to dispose of it. So what I'm going to do, there's not really one specific way. Maybe there is. Maybe there's somebody out there that knows better than I do. As far as me, I'm going to pour water inside of these and just stick them all together so they're completely unusable.
Tracking that too, or?
No, keep the internet modem.
All right, cool.
Because they have to turn that back in.
Yeah.
Otherwise they get charged for it. So I mean, even if somebody got a hold of this, by the time this dumpster's picked up and by the time it gets to the dump, it gets dumped with the water in here. If somebody does grab one of these pills, it's so dissolved and it's just nasty, you're not gonna be able to even do anything. Oh, just having my morning cup of joe.
We have an unopened jumbo steak knife set. Retail price $4.29.
I haven't looked at it, so let's take a look. I'm getting a weird smell in here, so let's see. You ready? Oh. It's actually pretty good. So, keep going. So we look through.
Opened up this fridge trying to figure out where the decomp smell is. It's from in here. So I found at least 2 whole turkeys, a couple things of tendies, and then what I think is oysters. So we're gonna only find good things in here. Savory, appetizing, frozen together. Young chicken.
Oh, nice.
Old chicken now. All right, well, she's unplugged. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Boop. Okay, give me the keys, I'll go get it. I'm gonna go get duct tape so we can tape this bitch shut.
I booked a 1 excursion to go lick the elephant's foot in Chernobyl.
It's a killer. That's why we only saw 1 bug in the hole.
Screwdriver.
Tasmania.
Go.
Nope.
Working.
Oh, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oops, sorry.
It's all good. It's good.
Should I stand it up or?
Yeah.
Pull this out and we can get it up now.
That is pretty strong.
Yeah.
This I don't think it's gonna fall apart.
Yeah.
I hate to say that, but I don't think.
I think we can get it sideways. Oh, that's.
Give!
Damn.
We're gonna have to start.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sure, use wood glue along with the fucking screws.
I get this.
What is up, guys? All right, we are done for the day. So what we did today is we came in and we trashed this trailer. A gentleman passed away off-site. The family wanted us to remove all of the contents from the home, so we ended up doing that. So I walked through here. If you saw the befores, this is the after. So it used to be a big dining room table here. There's clutter, there's everything. The kitchen as well. As we were going through, we discovered that there was like 2 or 3 turkeys within the refrigerator. Refrigerator was no longer working, so the smell right now actually smells like decomp, really strong. You can see a little bit of the turkey decomp on the floor here, but we're gonna get that up before we leave. All the cabinets we cleaned out, wiped down, surfaces have been wiped, the floors have been swept. So this room as well, this was all here, all the things, boom, this is good. Right now Shauna is finishing the last bit of the wipe down in there. This here, master bedroom, had some of the most stuff. We had a massive reloading bench. We had a massive wooden bed frame under the bed that was handmade that we had to break apart to get out. If you come in here, the only thing that is staying is these safes right here. So boom, the safes are here. All these cabinets are pulled apart. All this stuff's good. It's all done. Easy day, and that's another wrap for Spalding Decon Tampa.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of the next episode.
For more information, visit any of our locations.